Hello everyone, my name is Hussein. Today I will be explaining my Flutter project called Employee Management Application. So basically what this app does is, this app is built using Flutter for the front end and Firestore as the backend database. So the main purpose here is to collect the employee details, store them securely in the cloud and display them instantly in the UI using real-time updates. So I will just go to the coding part now. So this is how the basic structure of this application looks. So this entire structure is created using Flutter. So this is the main code. So firstly we have initialized the Firebase. The very first thing the app does is initialize Firebase in the main function. For this I use this codes uh, widgets flutter binding dot ensure initialized. So this is the code that initialize the Firebase. So the front end connects with the Firebase. Firebase is basically a NoSQL database. So for secondly, I have built up the employee screen using the stateful widget. The main UI is built inside a stateful widget named employee screen. So this is the code for the stateful widget. Uh, I choose stateful widget because the app will update when the new data is added. Firestore sends the live updates, and the UI needs to refresh dynamically. For that purpose, I have used the stateful widget here for building the employee screen and all. So there is a form section and all. So where the user could enter the employee details. The data display section is used to show the listed stored functions in the file store. That's why we have used the data. We have then we have used controllers and form validations for adding the employee to the file store, clearing the fields and all. So in that inside the widget state, I created controllers for like name, employee ID, salary, and all things. So these controls help in capturing the user's input from the text fields. I also used a form key. This is the form key I have used. It is used for form validation to find the uniqueness in the form and all. So this prevents the user from submitting empty fields. For example, if the user tries to save without entering a name or salary, the app immediately shows an error message under the field. So this improves the data accuracy and prevents invalid entries from going to the database. That is, uh, it prevents the unwanted data to goes in the Firebase. So these are all are the code for the adding of the data and the clearing of the data. Except for adding, that's the main part for adding the data to the Firestore. So for adding the data for the Firestore, the core logic happens in the add employee functions. Then we have used validation parts like form key.currentState.validate. That is all used for validation. If everything is correct, it uses Firestore's collections dot add to store the data. The employee information is saved as document with fields like name, employee ID, salary. After after saving all input fields are cleared, so the user can immediately add the next employee. A snack bar message would appear at the bottom of the screen confirming successful save. This creates a smooth user experience to ensure and that is uploaded instantly to the Firestore. So next of all, we have used Stream Builder. Stream Builder is an important component for Firestore employee list. So one of the most important powerful feature of this app is the real-time updates. So actually we want real-time updates. So we have used this stream builder. So whenever we add data to the UI, it should show upon the Firebase. The data should be updated instantly. To achieve this, I use a Streambuilder widget that listens to the Firestore. So we have used a snapshot function. It provides a real-time stream. Whenever a new employee is added, Firestore automatically pushes the data to the top. This means no manual refresh, no pulling or reloading. Data appears instantly. Streambuilder rebuilds only the part of the UI that needs updating, making the app efficient and fast. And for the UI structure and the user experience, we have used single child scroll view, so the entire page can scroll. A form widget to group all input fields. Each employee is displayed inside a card widget which contains name, employee ID, salary, and everything. So now I will just run this application. This application is already running in the background, just so I'll just show it. So we have created an virtual manager using the help of Android Studio. So whenever we type and save anything in this UI, it will automatically reflect it to the Firestore. First, we will just give some name. We will give John here and employee ID 145, salary 2000. So you'll just click on save details. So John is here reflected. So it should automatically reflect to the Firebase. We will check it. So this is the database we have given. Yeah. So the given details in the UI is automatically reflected in this Firestore. So this is how basically uh, this application works. Thank you.